guys, this is a bulbs and flowers part 2. Welcome back. And look at this. This is the way they do packed it and unpacked it now to make the story short. Voila! I don't know what's the name of this hydrangea now. Okay, there's a name on here. It is a double something or million flower. Back home we call it. Or double hydrangea, you and me. Something. Alright. They cancelled two of my order, different kind of hydrangea. I don't know why. And look at it. It's a healthy plant. Look, it's a good. It's a good one. I'm happy for that, but a bit yellowing because look, they get it too much, but it's okay. That's why you remove it straight away. And we have free in the transit and the snails from Victoria. What you do is just do like that. Look. Anyway, let me open this, guys, so get more bit water. It's pretty awesome, guys. This hydrangea here. Just as well they're half price, you know. Not worth it with the full price with the thing that they send it to you. Look, yellowing, but it's okay. It's just in the bottom. At least some of the bad review that I found some few years, a few months ago or something, or maybe last year even. And a bit worries me, but I don't. Because my order is not arrived, so yeah, our order is here. A little bit wilted because of too far journey, but hey, that's how you do when you order online, guys. As long as plants healthy and intact and really good, I'm fine with that. See, it's really good, really good. So happy for that. So remove it now, and we're gonna do maybe I see you in part 3 again or so. So I'll do the put in here. Welcome in our house. I'll give him, oh, it look like wet, but I'm giving a bit of water, I think. Alright, welcome to our home. I give him a bit of water now, and then I give him sun for 5 minutes. Here they are. So welcome home and go in the sun for a bit. Cheers. We've been in the transit for a few days on the way here. Alright guys, I got more hydrangea or other plants here. Let's gonna open this. And 2 more bulbs here. I think that's another Lilium Oriental Touch Turn. Whatever it is, I'll show it later when they flower. Oh, look, very healthy. Thank you, Tisilar. They got the 10 of the mixed gladiolus bulbs. Cheers. Look, very nice. So I got 15 here now. See you in part 3 or 4. Thank you. Shalom.